What is going on, my friend? Ontarian here, passive income guru. So guess what just happened again? Like clockwork, guys. That's right. Another $300 payment just came in. And guess what I was doing when it came in? I was actually sleeping. Absolutely amazing. So that goes to show that this system, this blueprint that I'm tapped into is automated. All right. Once you set it up, we show you how to work this thing at least 1 or 2 hours a day, tops. And as you do that over time, guess what? You're going to start popping at least $300 a day like clockwork. Okay. I'm nobody special. You know, I come from a background of lack, grew up in a single parent household. Dad was around, but he wasn't really involved. Fast forward, I worked my butt off. I started working at 16 years old. And then fast forward from there, right? I became a truck driver and all type of jobs, right? And then one day I woke up, I said, you know what? I'm tired of working for somebody else. I need to take control of my own financial situation. And maybe you feel the same way. If you do, then it's time for a change. And guess what? Your job is not secure anymore. And guess what? Social Security is not going to be here that much longer. Okay. So I'm here to help you as much as I can, but it's all about your belief system and believing that you can actually do it, because I'm a living witness. We have several people in our community that are doing this, and they're making money every single day, hand over fist, in their sleep, while they're at work, while they're on vacation, while they're walking the dog, whatever, right? So it's all about you. How far do you want to take this? Okay. So again, I made this in my sleep, which is phenomenal. I've been doing this for a long time, guys. I'm the real deal. Hey, comment below. I'm ready. Okay. Or inbox me, but I'd rather for you to comment below so that I know that you're ready to take action as soon as possible. All right. Take care. Let's make it a great day.